Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Cap, I will leave the link in the description box. Pink satin. The measurement here is 6 inches by 60 inches. I will fold into two and I will sew here all the way down. Then after doing that, before I cut the fiber, then I will cut 60 inches. I will first join the two together like this and sew here. So I have this long one up to 60 inches. I finished sewing together. The measurement here is the one I also have on the satin. Yeah. I fold into two. Use safety pin. I'm going to iron. So I measure 6 inches. This 6 inches. 6 inches here. Then I will bring this way. 6 inches. This should be 6 inches. Yeah, this is also 6 inches. Then this one should be 5.5 inches or almost 6 inches. Just like this. Then let me hold with pin. I'll bring out the right side. I have 6 inches before I fold into two and sew. Then here I'll bring this way and sew here. Let me cut. Let me see how many I'm going to use. I have 8 inches here. Before I use this to cover up, I will first use thread and needle to tack this place. I'll use thread and needle to sew here before I use this to cover this place up. This way I just sew this place. I will turn the material to bring out the right side. This is how it looks like. And I will sew on any side. You can sew it here. I have many turban in this channel. I will leave the links in the description box. You can use any color of your choice. Hot glue, I will use it here. In this place. Like this. You can sew it on top like this. You can sew on the side of the cap. Yeah, you can sew it any side you like. This is it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. As always, share this video to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. You can place it on this side or on this side, just like I place here.